channel Dolls and Toys. Today we are going to do 3 doll hacks and DAs, and if you please enjoyed our video, then subscribe our Dolls and Toys channel and like our video and also share our video, and let's start our video. Oh no, on her face there are so much sketch pen marks, so I'm applying Colgate, then I'm rubbing with a brush so that I can properly do that, and you can see rubbing properly. Wait, you can take 1 or 2 minutes in that rubbing, and you can see her face, and it's looking good. Now to get the result, either this hack pass or fail, we have to wash after this doing properly. So I think it is done, almost done. So now let's wash it. Wash it with plenty of water, then also rub it so that the Colgate cleans from every place of our face. After washing, let her face dry. With a towel you can soak it, and now you can see this hack pass. You can see the before and after difference. This hack really do work. Her hair is so damaged. Let's do a hack now. Firstly, comb the hair, then put it in the warm water. We have combed earlier, and now you can see, put it for up to 3 or 5 minutes or as you wish in a warm water. Then comb it again. You can do it 2 or 3 times to get a proper result if you haven't. But we have get the result that we want in the first time. You can see the hair is much better than the before ones. This hack is also pass, and you can see the before and after difference. It's really straight hair. We are gonna do a DA. For this we need a socks, and cut it from the top as I have seen in the video, and from the top with a scissor. See, after cutting it will look like this, and now you can see we will cut it from the bottom, from here, from this point to this point. Let's now cut it with a scissor. After cutting, you can see cutting takes time, and I'm doing with the scissor. Now it's almost done. Yes, now you can see it is looking like this. Now we will going to, you can see my doll, and it's, now we will do marks for the arms to put them easily. One from the right side and one from the left side for both the arms. Cut a small, not a bigger, then it will not become as we wanted. So after doing this, I put it in my doll body. Now you can see it's a little bit loose. So this I'm using a black rubber, and now I have put it, and now you can see I have tie a knot at the back and it's looking lovely so that it does not get loose. Now you can see it's a very nice white frock dress, and this DA is also passed, and that was last of the video. This was our today's video. Please, if you enjoyed our video, then please like our video, subscribe our dolls and toys channel, share this video. We will upload soon more videos.